G'day fellow campers and welcome back to Camp Spot Reviews, where we're chucking another ripper adventure your way. Here's with me is my lovely partner Tegan, and we're almost about to begin our journey on this next adventure. You ready?
Ready.
Awesome. Today we're roughing it at the absolute beauty that is Burrum Point camping area in Woodgate, Queensland. Picture this, beaches so pristine they'll make your eyes pop. Kangaroos bouncing about like they're on a sugar high. And fishing so good you'll reckon you're in a seafood buffet. Strap in for our full-on campsite lowdown, some cheeky fishing and cooking hacks, and a yarn about Woodgate's history and wildlife that'll blow your flaming socks off. Let's dive in like a dolphin at a disco.
Woodgate's a chill beachside town that's like a love letter to the Fraser Coast's natural beauty. We're talking beaches that sparkle like a cold one in the sun, national parks, chockers with critters, and wildlife so lively it's practically throwing a party.
This slice of paradise is the traditional land of the Butchalla and Cubby peoples, who've been calling the Fraser Coast home for tens of thousands of years. The Burrum River and coast were their go-to for fishing, hunting and gathering, with cultural sites that scream, "We've been here forever." Fraser Island, Kaale to the locals, viewable from the beach, is a sacred spot for the Butchalla, tied to Dreamtime stories that'll give you goosebumps.
Back in the mid-1800s, the Woodgate crew rocked up as a part of the Wide Bay Burnett Push. The town got its name from Woodgate family, who set up shop in the 1860s nearby Childers. Born in 1885, went nuts for sugarcane and timber, while Woodgate played the role of coastal hideaway. The Burrum River was a gold mine for fishing and oyster farming, and the local forests got a proper haircut for the timber.
Woodgate stayed a sleeping fishing village till the 20th century, when its postcard, perfect beach and proximity to Fraser Island had tourists frothing. In '94, Burrum Coast National Park was locked in to keep the wetlands, mangroves and wildlife safe, turning the place into an ecotourism hotspot.
Now, Woodgate's a laid-back holiday haven with 1,500 locals who reckons sustainable tourism's the bee's knees. They chuck on events like the Woodgate Beach Fishing Classic, which is basically a love song to their fishing roots.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
So we're here, finally. So let's talk about Burrum Park Campground here at Woodgate.
Burrum Heads, is it?
Burrum Heads. So it's 4-wheel drive. Don't bring your Nana's hatchback.
Won't get through.
You won't get through. Nice little setup, good facilities, very peaceful and quiet. I do say bringing the kids, bring board games, take them for long adventures along the beach, picking up shells. It's very peaceful, very quiet.
And four-wheel drive only.
And it's four-wheel drive only. And get ready for some sandy shenanigans.
That part's going in the final edit. What do you think, babe?
It's cool, babe.
It's like a little hobbit track.
Yes.
Well, I'm glad we're close to the showers and toilets.
Yeah.
Should we do some hanky-panky stuff? Huh? What do we got in here?
You're the ladies.
Oh, that's... Is it ladies?
Yeah.
I thought it would just be unisex because we're in the bush.
No, this is ladies. It's like
I'm a lady. Not bad.
2 toilets. That's all right.
2 toilets. Ratio. No, alright. I gotta get the toilet.
Alright, babe.
Amenities are basic. You got freezing cold water, so there's no hot showers. You got flushable toilets though, which is good. What else?
Non-drinking water.
Oh yeah, you can't drink the water. It's non-potable, so you got to bring your own water. Besides that, yeah, it's you just got to pack like you survived in the apocalypse. But it does have a shower block and toilets, which is good. You've got 13 numbered sites, perfect for rooftop tents and camper trailers. But anything else like caravans or low clearance trailers, forget about it because they'll chuck a wobbly. Stick to 4-drive only and you should be all good. Awesome. Permits are a measly $6 a night, but you got to book online, and especially during holiday time, you want to make sure you book ahead of getting here to get a permit. No dogs are allowed though, so unfortunately you'll have to leave them at home with a bone and a sad face. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it counting numbers?
Yes, it is.
Be careful, you're riding a tree. You don't walk it. Keep it straight, don't keep it moving.
I'm trying not to.
That's the right hand.
I don't know, I'm holding the thing. I'm holding the GoPro.
Rather than runner. Alright, so point at the front of the car, sit, we're going on the beach now.
Oh,
Capture
look at
this.
it.
Capture this. Ready?
Yeah. The vibe. Shady spots tucked behind delicate sand dunes. Just a hop, skip, and jump to the beach. At night, the waves will sing you to sleep, and the stars. Like a billion fairy lights on steroids. Word of warning, pack insect repellent unless you want sandflies and mozzies treating you like a buffet in the warmer months.
Fishos, listen up. The Burrum River's a treat for bream, whiting, flathead, and even the odd mangrove jack that'll have you bragging at the pub.
Burrum Coast National Park is a wildlife wonderland. The wetlands are a big deal, keeping fish, birds and marine life happy. You might spot sea turtles, dolphins or dugongs cruising the Burrum River or Great Sandy Marine Park. On land, keep your eyes peeled for kangaroos, rainbow lorikeets, black cockatoos and square-tailed kites that'll have you feeling like you're in a David Attenborough doco. Ready. The beach access here is awesome. Fish or swim. or even go for long strolls along the beach to find beautiful shells. But you'll need a 4-wheel drive to access it.
Yeah.
That's better?
That's better.
Well, I'm thinking in my own head it's better.
You did good. You like my shirt?
I do like your shirt, babe.
Okay, get out of the way. Let's get him in the background. Stingray hole zone.
Because they do this, see the hole? That's the head,
Yeah.
that's the body, and their
All
tongue
right.
comes out that way.
Alright.
That's stingray hole.
Oh no! You did it wrong. So we're not the best at fishing. This place is great for fishing, but we're not the best at fishing ourselves. So don't judge us on not catching a fish. There's places, it's as good as any ocean. There's definitely fish out there in the ocean. We're just not the best at fishing. You lost the prawn. It's pretty. The Aladdin lamp went out, I think. How you going with it, babe?
They're short, but I'll work it out.
Are they working? Do they turn
I
on?
haven't turned them on yet. So.
Try turning them on.
Okay. Oh look! You see?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. We need more though, because they're only little.
We do need more.
Yes.
We need 1 million fairy lights to light up to the world. So, campfire cooking, right? We love campfire cooking. And when I came here to camp, I thought there'd be some campfire cooking. But apparently you can't have campfires here. You can't have no fires. Even though driving on the beach, we saw people camping on the beach illegally and also having a campfire. No. Well, here you cannot at the time being. So, we got a Kmart $20 fucking gas burner. That's what we're going to have to do. Unfortunately, but that's the best we can do. So, yeah. How's it going?
It's a bit bumpy.
It is very bumpy. You gotta go faster, we don't wanna get stuck. Go, 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 punch it. That's the way.
Jesus Christ, babe. Use the name. Oops, sorry.
There goes all the fishing gear.
Yep.
Nah, it'll be fun.
Yep. This is the first for me.
What?
Doing this.
You doing good?
Yeah.
Go fast here. Ready?
Oh no.
Go, 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 don't slow down. Stay on the track. Gonna be a bumpy ride. Doing good, babe. Right, this is the corner.
Okay. So what would happen if another car came? You'd have to drive off on the side.
Yeah. There you go. Doing good. closer, baby.
You're alright. It didn't work.
Oh. I only got these tacks.
Maybe go the corner of the thong where the thinnest part is.
I can't do it.
Do you want me to try something?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's nice. Oh, that's
Is it gonna work? Oh, we need a nail, not a thumbtack. Curtis family 2026. Mate, you're a bit early. What's the goss on this spot? Chuck a comment below and tell us where we should pitch up next. Give us a like, hit subscribe, and smack that bell for more camp spot reviews. Cheers for hanging out, and we'll catch you again on the next dusty trail. Well, that's our Burrum Point camping grounds review done and dusted. We had a good time while here, but I will show you what happens when you don't pay attention reversing. This is all, we hit a tree and it's all snapped off. I got the screws in the car, about 8 of them fell off on the ground. So I'm hoping I can fix that when I get home, or it just doesn't affect me for the time being, but that's what you get. And you're going to expect the unexpected, and surely either I can fix that or I'll pay someone to fix that. Yeah.